The third scenario might well be to isolate the whole system at an isolator or something similar. So again, same idea. We're going to start off by asking permission from the customer, in this case maybe the assessor. Need to turn off the system. I need to shut down the circuits and turn off the board and isolate the whole system. So make sure we've got permission to do all of that first. I'm going to take the load off the board, shut the board down, and then turn off the isolator. We don't need a lock-off kit, we just need a padlock to go through the locking point on the isolator. With our tag, lock-off tag, so people know how to get in touch with us, lock that off. And at all times remembering that this key needs to be kept safe so nobody can turn that circuit back on. So that is going to go in my pocket at all times. So that's the system isolated. We now need to go to the board. We can take the cover off the board. We suspect the board is dead, but again, remember just being a bit careful in case it isn't. So the cover is off the board and we are fairly sure that this board is dead. But to make sure, again, being careful just in case that we have isolated the wrong circuit, we're going to go step one, will be prove our voltage testing indicator across the proving unit. So we know the voltage indicator is working as it should be. And we're going to go back through the same series of tests, only this time we'll do it on the incoming side. First time when we isolated the board, the incoming side was still live. This time we're not going across the outgoing side, we're going to do incoming. So I'm going to go onto the main earthing terminal, to neutral 1, line 1, 2, line 2, 3, line 3, 4, neutral to 1 is 5, neutral to 2 is 6, neutral to 3 is 7, 1 to 2 is 8, 1 to 3 is 9, 2 to 3 is 10, and then reprove our unit. We know our voltage indicator is working correctly. We've checked that that's right. So that board is now dead at the incomer and all the way through the circuit. So that's safe isolation of a three-phase board, safe isolation of a single-phase circuit, which would work the same on a single-phase board, and safe isolation of an entire installation and isolator.